history has been made at the Enhanced Chief Justice's mentorship program designed to equip and inspire young people, especially students, to understand the tenets of the law and to also make their career choices very easy. At the end of it, ever since the Chief Justice Gertrude Saki Tokonu took over as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, she has launched some clubs within senior high school, and today they came out with the finals of a Moot Court Competition, which was eventually won by Accra High School. And let's see how the atmosphere was at the Supreme Court.
Yes, so at the end of the deliberations, this is what we have. SOS had 55%. And then Accra High had 64%.
They took away a plaque, a certificate, and a cash prize. They beat off competition from SOS International College. Also here to perform an exciting skate is the Orange Girls, popularly known as Kaya Ye. Participating schools who were also given some reward were St. Mary's Senior High School, Presbyterian Boys Senior High School, Chemu Senior High School, Tema Senior High School, and of course the Orange Girls and United Nations Ghana branch. All of them were recognized for participating in this very exercise. The representative from the Director General of the Ghana Education Service urged the Chief Justice to upgrade the exercise to the status of the National Maths and Science Quiz.
May I humbly use this rare opportunity to make a request? We really appreciate the formation of the class in the 5 schools, and we know you have the intention to open more. I will humbly then plead if you could urge your justices in the regions and the districts to set up at least 1 club in the school per year. And I know that in the next 2 or 3 years, we will have such a club in every school in the country. That would be similar to the National Science and Maths Quiz. That we could have a live program streaming everywhere, and people will be bragging to make sure that they are still winning.
What has the Chief Justice been saying as far as this particular exercise is concerned, and how the whole matter came to a conclusion?
I came up with the idea of the Justice Clubs because of the value I found in clubs when I was in secondary school. They were places for fun to begin with, but apart from the fun we had there, we learned many things. We learned skills, we learned how to be friends, we gathered knowledge, we learned how to appropriately apply external information beyond that which we were being taught in the school curriculum. And as I pondered on how Ghana can deepen its appreciation of the rule of law and the understanding of law and the understanding of justice, I thought to myself that a good intervention would be to start these justice clubs. And I do so appreciate the comment from the representative of the Director General of Ghana Education Service, and I know that now the Ghana Education Service has come along. I mean, the work is done, dusted, completed.
Justices of the Supreme Court, the High Court, Court of Appeal, all of them were available, including the mentors who were assigned to the various clubs at the various secondary schools. Congratulations. How did you get this whole thing done?
It took a lot of teamwork, a lot of preparation, a lot of dedication, and by the grace of God, we're this far.
No, tell me, before coming, did you know that you were going to emerge winners?
Well, we were in confidence, and by the grace of God, we have emerged out because we put in a lot of hard work and a lot of time, and by the grace of God, we came out victorious.
With the confidence of their team when they stood up in open court at the Supreme Court to do this for the first time, I'm sure a lot of you will be having a feel of the Supreme Court for the first time. How did this propel you for the future?
Well, it has given us this entire competition, not just today's part, but has given us expertise and things that we wouldn't be taught in the typical classroom, and has given us experience. As we say, experience is the best teacher. It has taught us a lot and prepared us so much for the future and everything that's ahead of us.
That is the Accra High School winning the maiden edition of the Enhanced Chief Justice's Mentorship Moot Court Competition here at the Supreme Court. Murtala, Inusah, GHOne.